So as I said before, we're going to talk about gait, and we will talk about it longer a bit later, but just to give you a very brief introduction of what I'm talking about, let's look at the three different kinds of gait. So first of all, you have the forefoot gait. So your forefoot hits the ground first and your heel may kiss the ground. So you might touch down with it a bit, but you don't have to. That's not required for this kind of running. And as you can see here, that's something sprinters most of the time do. And the next one would be the midfoot kind of running. So what is this? So basically, in a scientific way, you would say your feet touch the ground very flat. So it's hard to do that, to be really flat and not land here or here first, but we will come to that in a minute. And then the third option, of course, is the heel running. That's what probably most of the runners in the world do. So you hit the ground with the heel first and then just roll and run from there.